Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just radiate? Now I'm dusting off my wings. I go hovering high up there. 'Cause now I've shaken off the weight. I don't need it. I'm free and clear without any fear. Here I go 'cause my life's taking off.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! So today po ay on the way papuntang airport dahil ako ay magta-travel out of the country. Wow! Masasyal mo sis! Punta akong Canada guys. I-visit ko ang Fambam kasi parang 4 years ko na silang hindi nakikita. 2018, 19, 20, 22. 4 years, magpa 5 years ko nang hindi sila nakikita. So, bivisit ko naman sila. Si Mac, siya yung driver ko ngayon. Nahatid lang niya ako ngayon sa airport kasi hindi siya napayagan. Inubos niya ang PTOs na sa kakamping namin. May next time pa naman, hopefully next year. Kung next year, baka tingnan natin. Gusto ko kasi umuwi rin sana ng Pilipinas, pero tingnan natin if ever. Pero kung syempre kung kami lang yung uuwi, para namang ang sad. Gusto ko pag umuwi sana kami, yung lahat kaming family uuwi kami para naman masaya ulit sila nanay tsaka si tatang. Pero we'll see kung anong mangyayari guys.
Need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. Still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What shall we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What shall we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need.
Hello, people of the earth. That's a big luggage.
Ni, pati yung ano mo, pati yung floor. Kakulay. Siya yung nag-travel, sis. Alam mo na mag-drive-on. Yaman.
I was born under the sun, so why am I so afraid of it? Made peace with all I've done, but that just wasn't enough. Ooh, she's like she was such
Jackie. Hi, Jackie. Hi, Jackie. It was good. Jackie. You like me na? Agad. Hey everyone! We're here! I'm here in Canada! With Jeggy! Come on, Jeggy! Up! Jeggy! Up! It's a long and winding and delayed. Oh, this is my mom. For those of you who doesn't know, Mia the first. Mia the second. Mia the third. Mia the fourth is already sleeping. Einstein is over there. Einstein, say hi, Einstein. The birthday boy. Oh my God, nakuha ka sa vlog. Nagkikilaban ka.
Citizenship.
Happy birthday to you.
Awanti ineksama nun. Ako may ganito na dyan. Ay, basta examination ko.
Good morning, everyone.
Welcome to Canada.
Welcome to Canada with the driver, our birthday boy with gray hairs. We're going to Tim Hortons para bumili daw po ng kape. Yan.
Stasyon ng bus.
Ay, dati bus station nyo dito.
Yan, bus station.
Kasi dugmo lang arawan lugam mo to nung naglimiis lang.
butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night. In my wildest dreams.
Nagmamalaki yung Tim Hortons, no? Labil na.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Birthday boy!
Birthday boy.
Dito lang sa Teams.
Teams lang ang afford.
I want the steak and egg style this.
Coffee. Ay, magsis. Ay, ama. O, anong agpa-fried rice dyan? Diba? Okay, mas. Let's taste the Canadian maple.
Mas na Bavaria. Hindi Pilipinas.
Namiss ko wala din. Anak na rin ako. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng donut. Kung nasa Chicago tayo, namiss ko na yung Bavaria.
Dunkin.
Wala
kaming Dunkin dito.
Ang Dunkin Donut na din. The Dunkin Donut, yung US. Mr. Donut ko mga
Uy, na yun. Kung pa ni Bebe, favorite nata, I always buy. Ikatambat ako lang na you're very proud of your golden hair.
Hindi na lang yung artista na nagkanila. George Clooney. Kung dyan papapugis na, nung papugis sa kanila, nag-save ako. Papugis na akong naliyan ako.
Hindi pa, ba't ka na friend na mo? Ka na hindi taga-focus na lang kayo. Kung ano, hindi mo na ako magpapagupit sa matanda para may kita rin siya. Kung ano. Na Ano, magtansin na kayo ng gubita. Croissant.
Samot a Joya.
Na? Picture ka maan. Breakfast!
Ano yung plato? Pagtiti na nga.
Kailangan mong bumili ng
Parang member ka na talaga
parang
ng
ano,
family.
card. Tapos lolodan mo yun.
O, sit muna.
Kain ba yan?
Oo, ma.
Vegetarian nga yung aso.
Ha?
Vegetarian na siya.
Mas gusto niyo pa yung banana.
You want some oranges?
Kumakain kaya yan.
Kumakain ng banana, kumakain ng mais.
Orange.
Orange.
Wala talagang
Sit.
subo.
Sit.
Wala
Sit.
talagang ano.
Good boy. Ang galing-galing naman.
Sabi ko sa'yo, kinakagat na yung orange.
Siyempre asim yan. Diet nga siya. Kasi sabi ni Papa, may diet siya.
Diet ka daw eh. One more.
Kasi naubis na siya. Hindi na siya makatakbo.
Kaboy! Update time guys, it's already 12:08 p.m. and alis lang kami ni Mother. Susunduin namin si Anta Naning. Hindi ako masyado nakatulog kagabi. Ang lakas ng hilik ni Father. Sumihilik pa sa kabila si Bebe. Hi! How's your school?
Amazing.
Amazing.
On Thursdays, I only have half day. Can I play in the park?
Mama is already waiting for us.
Just a few minutes.
Okay, I will call Mama. Eh di bakit tinatanggal mo yung coat mo? It's cold. Oh, mag-jacket ka na. It's cold. It's windy. Bakit sira naman yan?
Because I accidentally dropped them on the floor.
Oh, let's go na. Mama is waiting already.
Wait, Tita, should I show you something?
What? Sige, ala. Pag ikaw nahulog dyan, naglaro pa talaga ang madam. Ang lamig-lamig. Nanginginig na ako dito. Nakapadyama lang ako. Lalamig na ako. Guys, naglalaro pa daw ang namin, ang madam namin. Ayun, tumatakbo pa siya. Ang lamig-lamig.
I got a library book, and in our library, we have different sections like chapter books for grade like 2 or 3 and upper. And I picked an Nancy Drew book.
Why did you pick that?
I'm interested in mystery and investigation,
Oh.
but not the killing ones.
Not the killing ones.
Yeah, I hate those ones.
O, dito na.
I think.
Wow.
Where is it? Open it on. Oh, it should be on the other one, the other side.
Yes! 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 Wait, there's one more. There's one more that I'm missing. You? There's one more.
What
The
else?
smackers.
Markers?
The
No.
smacker.
Smacker.
Ano smacker?
The one that they sell in the Mi Familia.
What?
Maybe, is it the slime they're talking about?
No, the eyeshadow.
Oh,
I'm
it's
sure.
in my other luggage. This is my gift for you. From now on, I'm gonna buy you snow globe all the time. Oh, hawakan mo muna. I'll get your eyeshadow.
Wow.
Yay!
Ang sayot.
So what will you say?
You. Now you have to do
Di pa niya ako kinikiss.
Ay, wala pang ang hug.
Kita. Mas may pagsalubong. Kiss mo ako. Ay, ang baho naman ng Anthony. Ang tansit naman ng
Lo magsiselo siya.
Ringgit siya. Oh my God, so big na tanong.
Ayaw niyang may kinakarga ka, Joya. Nagagalit siya.
We are so friends already. Okay, you stay.
Ayaw niya nang may kinakarga.
Nagsiselos na agad siya.
Wow, she got lots.
Lip gloss.
I know, I saw.
Ay, naku, magsasayit na naman siya.
Makeup.
You just recently bought makeup?
Yeah.
What kind of makeup? Then you should have told me and hindi na lang sana ako bumili.
Well, that was like after
Or before?
After.
Eh, di sana hindi ka na bumili.
This is so cute. Hold on, I want to try some.
But it's really pang kids.
Perfect.
Wow, may pa-swatch pa siyang ganun. Ang arte-arte. Nagsuswatch pa siyang ganun.
Wait, let me see.
Wag mong i-close ay yung eyes mo kasi.
What else is inside of
It's just your ponytail.
Elsa, really?
And then
If I
this
know
one is
better.
your water bottle and headset.
Yes, I've been meaning to get a headset. Oh my.
Yeah. This one can be a Bluetooth or it can be connected with a wire.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. I need to get a headset for my school though.
Yeah, this one.
That's perfect though, because we
Yeah.
have iPads in school and we're listening to reading sometimes. So
that's good.
how?
712 kami. Pero yung akin 515 ako.
Stop moving now. I just messed up.
Kung pa talaga sinisi mo What that? You didn't put anything like on the lower part of the eyelid. Like here, kulang pa naman
You know, I'm gonna use my finger. Frick this brush.
I bought you brushes. Where did you put your brushes?
Breaking down and that's alright. I got a little bit of money to make me fight, and I'm fine.
Hey everyone!
Trust me.
So, time check, it's already 4:46 p.m. and we are heading to a place na magpapa-facial kami kasi tingnan nyo yung face namin talaga. Kaya din ako nag-makeup. Wala na, ganyan na yung mukha natin. Magdi-dinner pa man din kami mamaya. But anyway, ganyan na. And we have somebody here, the sorcerutit.
If you're original, you already know who I am.
Wow! How about those who are not original?
For those who are new, I am her niece. I am the most beautiful niece.
I am her most beautiful niece.
You're the only
Because
one.
she's the only one. She's the only niece I have.
Yeah, I'm the most pretty. Would you
Yeah.
like to introduce my name, Tita?
She
Wow,
is...
would you like to introduce her name?
She is Antananing. Oh, do you know that some people ask who is Antananing and then they ask, is your name really Antananing?
No.
So what's your name?
Princess Mia Lei. Don't question the princess part, because I have to deal with that every day at school.
The princess?
Yes.
Then, but they called you Mia a while ago.
Yeah, but sometimes people are like, why is your name Princess? And I'm like, would you
I
stop
know.
asking
Blame
that
your dad.
question?
Trust me, I'm fine. Breaking down and wasting time, but everything's alright when I spend my money with you. Let's just ignore the news. I know you know that.
Okay, so now we're late because, yeah.
Your mom is late.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I look amazing. And then this will go off. I love it. These are the shoes I wore.
This is not a wide lens though.
So how's your facial?
It hurts.
You look like a ghost.
I know.
You think we're doing a picture, huh?
Painful.
Okay, everyone, we're so dead right now because we are an hour late to Chloe's birthday. Say hi to the vlog. I thought you were dead. No, say hi.
Hi!
Enjoy your meal. Ang laki ng subo, sisa. Filipino
Hinay-hinay lang ang ano.
I waited a whole hour for both of you. All I said is that you guys smell like fish sticks.
We are. I think we're good. The food is good. The only thing is we are so late.
time to do the get ready with me.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday. And don't judge the keyboard player because she just started.
And she doesn't really memorize
The lyrics and the chords, so. Are you still afraid? Hold your head up high. Hi everyone, thank you so much at narating nyo na naman po ang part ng ating vlog na mag-shoutout lang ako sa mga nag-comment sa ating vlog na empty apartment tour. So, shoutout kila Mavi RN, kay Sis GC, Jesselyn Gonzalez, Ibrahim Hailil, Ana Love, shoutout din kay Trini Bells, kay Gwen Corregidor, kay Shini Marie Metrillo, kay Juliet Pugay, and then shoutout din kay Mikmik Macabulos, and Revex Campo, kay Frederick Fernandez, kay Sis Stella Marie's Vlog, Ronica Berto, Nora Torres, shoutout din kay J-Rom Sereño, It's Me Cherry, and kay Rids RN. Ayan, thank you so much everyone for watching my vlog, for supporting our vlog, ayan, sa pag-support po sa amin. Maraming salamat po, and I hope hindi kayo nagsasawa sa panonood at pag-support sa amin. And kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!
I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like